Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm sorry that I haven't posted in a while. I just trying to find stuff to unbox. There, that's something really special. There I got Sun and Moon and Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion with pen. So let's see what I got. So this one looks like unboxing. So I think I'm going to start with Sun and Moon. Let's see what I got. One, two, three, four. Fire energy. Ooh, lightning, okay. Soderbergh. Poison Bob. Team Cell. Grunt. Young Goose. Surskit. Wingle. Poplio. Growlithe. Orangu. And Canyon. That's fun. Now let's see what this Crimson Invasion is. One, two, three, four. Poison. Fighting. Alone Graveler. Harlequin. Picking Rain Card. Execute. Magikarp. Missino. Corfish. Shallows. Miltank. And Staraptor. Oh man, did anything. That's fine with me. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what should I do next. If this video gets 10 likes, I will do another one. Thank you.